Well, we have a bunch of egrets here this morning. That's a snowy egret flying in with the yellow feet. A couple more there right by him, and then further across the pond are two great egrets and something else there in the water behind the bushes, maybe another great egret. I got a tricolored heron just to the left of the white egret by the water. You can barely see him. Also used to be known as the Louisiana heron. And another great egret off to the right. And here comes another another snowy egret. We have some immature little blue herons here also, and sometimes they're hard to tell without seeing their feet and legs because they're pure white. That was a snowy. They're just resting, they're not feeding. But there's a lot of fish in this pond, little tiny ones. Well, have a good day today. Today's the 28th of July. On a pond in the woods by the ocean. See you later.